Hello everyone, let's see aldol reaction today. Aldol reaction is shown by carbonyl compounds in the presence of dilute NaOH or dilute KOH. In this reaction, alpha hydrogen moves to the carbonyl oxygen and then carbon-carbon bond is formed. If you heat it, then unsaturated compound is formed. So what is alpha hydrogen? We need to understand. Alpha hydrogen is the hydrogen which is connected to first carbon of carbonyl group, right? For example, here I have written these two cases and you can see that the number of alpha hydrogens in these compounds are 3 and 6 respectively. If you identify the compound, the first compound is ethanol and second compound is propanol, which have 3 and 6 alpha hydrogens respectively. Similarly, benzaldehyde and formaldehyde, they do not have any alpha hydrogen, and since they do not have any alpha hydrogen, they will not show aldol reaction. Students, aldol reaction is a very important reaction of grade 12th, and it is always asked in board examination. So you must be thorough with this. Any question from this topic can be asked in board examination. Let's see its mechanism. We have understood what is an alpha hydrogen by now. So in step 1, this alpha hydrogen will be taken away by base, since the reaction takes place in the presence of base. So we already have OH minus. It will take away H plus, which is alpha hydrogen. So this compound is formed. This anion is formed, which is known as enolate anion, and you can see that it is resonance stabilized, and it is a better nucleophile from carbon side. In step 2, this nucleophile from carbon side attacks on the carbonyl carbon, and we get a product like this. Now this anion is a stronger base than water. So since reaction is taking place in the presence of dilute alkali, it means water is always already present in the reacting mixture. So it will take away H plus from water and we'll get this compound which is known as aldol. Why aldol? Because aldehyde and alcohol groups are there. If you heat it, then you will get dehydration will occur and you will get alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound, and this reaction will now be termed as aldol condensation. If only aldol is formed, then reaction is known as aldol reaction. So there is a short trick to find out the product. If in exam mechanism is not asked, just products are asked, so you can just write the compound like this, and 2 alpha hydrogens will be removed and 1 oxygen of other molecule, and you get the compound like this for condensation. For aldol, you just need to move 1 alpha hydrogen to the carbonyl oxygen, and remaining carbon-carbon bond will make a single bond, and you'll get the aldol like this. If cross aldol reaction takes place, cross aldol means in the reacting mixture there are 2 types of carbonyl and both of them have alpha hydrogen. So both of them will form enolate. So enolate of one will attack on the carbonyl compound, on the carbonyl group of other compound, and for other compound enolate will attack on the first one. So here we'll get 2 products for cross aldol and 2 for self aldol. So these are some of the questions which are given in NCERT. Here in this case, propanol and butanol are given. It means total 4 products will be formed, 2 cross and 2 self. All right, and enolate is nucleophile. Another case of cross and self. Now this one, here we have to identify only the alpha hydrogen. So benzaldehyde, no alpha hydrogen. Fourth compound, no alpha hydrogen, and 3 and 6, so they will show aldol. Grignard reaction is not a part of syllabus. Grignard reagent is there, and Grignard reagent always increases the number of carbon atom, and aldol obviously increases the number of carbon atom. Alpha hydrogen, we have seen it is less acidic. It is given less acidic, but this less acidic is wrong. It is more acidic, and anion is resonance stabilized. We have already seen. Thank you all. Good luck. Happy learning.